everyone. Today we are exploring about BSc Physical Science. So we have with us Dr. Priyanka ma'am. Good morning ma'am. I wanted to ask that everyone says that physics is really very difficult. So choosing BSc Physics is really worth it?
Yes, BSc Physics is really wise to choose because first point, physics is the mother of engineering. Through physics only we can develop technologies. Physics, the concepts that we have developed so far are only now converted to technologies. Second point, physicists are now into the coding. They are studying computational physics. They are using Python as a code. They are using AI and ML for physics. They are using even ML, machine learning, for metal scientists. ML is being used everywhere, and they are developing new codes to use ML in physics. Third point is when we have developed, when we don't have mathematics, because physics can't go without mathematics. So for mathematics, we have and Newton has himself made calculus in order to study physics. So physics is now into the coding. Physics is the core branch. With the help of physics, you are inventing new technologies, and another thing that is you are making a bit of that with physics.
Honestly ma'am, I want a career with good opportunity. So can you please tell me about the career options?
There are several career options. Otherwise, there is a normal conception in our surroundings, and that normal conception is that after studying BSc Physics, you can only go into the teaching. But in spite of the teaching, there are several aspects. Teaching, there is a school teaching. Teaching, there is a college teaching. Teaching, there is a university teaching where you can be assistant professors. These are the some fields. In addition to that, you can go into the MNCs as a data scientist. You can go into the research laboratories as scientists, material scientists, pharmacists, then in renewable energy scientists, data scientists, because as we are using ML and Python in physics, there was a student of mine who has bagged 24 lakhs package in after doing BSc in data science. That is a career opportunity, which is a booming career opportunity where BSc Physics students can employ. And in our university, we have employed Python and ML for physics in our curriculum, and we are also teaching computational physics as a part in order to understand data science.
Ma'am, can doing with BSc, we can start our research publications or research work?
Yes, in BSc we do have the internship opportunities, and that internship we can do at our university, we can do at IITs, we can do at UGC centers. They all are providing internship for the university people who don't have. In addition to that, we have also backed the research project from Department of Atomic Energy to Board of Research in Nuclear Sciences for photocatalytic hydrogen generation. In that, we are using sun as a source to generate hydrogen, because as we are relying on currently totally relying on petroleum, which is being made inside the earth, and that is a natural process which is being made by the microbes through thousands of years. When petrol is being made so slowly and we are using only sun, and if we use sun, then we are using only 0.000 as many zeros you can add, and then at last you can add 1. Only this much of energy we are using from sun. So when we are using this much, a very small fraction of sun, so we can convert that whole energy into our use, into a renewable energy, and that is not going to waste.
Thank you so much ma'am. With this, we can explore about lots of career and start with good opportunities with you and our work. Thank you so much.
Most welcome.